Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video today, Wednesday. Beautiful entries today. It was a very volatile day. There was some news today at 1 p.m. Let me show you exactly what we did with a couple of pairs here. Also, starting with the Nasdaq, starting with the diamond strategy. Let's see here. We started right over here today. The price was pretty much in this consolidation right here, in this box, this big block right here. I was telling you guys, pay attention to the block, and wherever you see a breakout, you go for it. Like by the time the market usually opens, let me draw the line here. I think it was around here. Let's see. 8:30 right there. Okay, so that big candle was the actual breakup. However, look at here, the price was already breaking. I told you guys, wherever you see the price, if you see the price breaking below, you go for a sell. If you see the price breaking above, you go for a buy. It's that simple. Don't get it complicated. Just main price action right here. And even better if you wait for the actual time, which is 8:30. The opening, New York Stock Exchange opening right there. So what happened? Look what happened there. The price on a 15-minute, you can see that this candle right here on a 15-minute closed slightly above the actual block right here. So I was able to make an entry, and I was aiming to this high right here. I was not aiming to touch the, for some reason, you know, sometimes I'd rather go a little lower. But what happened? As I always tell you, whenever you, let's say you're entering right here and you set your take profit right here on the top, right? Right here on the top. So I usually close most of my entries. Let me use this thing right here. See, about 65 pips. So I usually start closing my entries, or most of my entries, right about the middle. Okay, so this would be like my take profit one. Basically, this would be my take profit one, and of course take profit two will be on the top. All right, so I usually, this is what I do. Okay, this is basically to prevent any like it happened today. Usually happens, and it's going to happen a lot. Okay, like you have to be like, you have to stop thinking that greedy. Like, no, I'm just going to wait for the price to reach that. Okay, that you're going to find out more often than not that the price will either come back down. The volatility at the beginning will push up maybe 40, 60 pips, 70 pips. If you're lucky, you can get up to 200, 300 pips right away. But more often than not, the price could actually play around like it did today. You see? So you have to take advantage of that first momentum. Personally, it's because I don't like to be holding entries for too long. I don't like, and I learned that by losing. So I don't hold entries for that long. I usually aim most of my profits. I close them right here, and I move my stop loss to break even. Of course, after the price reach halfway up, I'm putting my stop loss to break even, closing most of my entries right here, and leaving maybe one or two, depends how many entries I did, leaving one or two to reach the take profit. If it doesn't happen, like for example, today, the price didn't continue pushing up, actually went down and stopped me out right here on this sell. So what happened? The price starting to fall like very aggressively, came back to the box and then even break the box below. What happened here? I had a sell stop this morning. I had a sell stop right here in case the price will actually drop. I had it in here and I forgot. So for a second, I was out of my computer. I was not watching the market when the price was actually coming down. I was not watching the market. The price actually dropped and activated my sell stop, and I was closing my entries around this area, this last level right here. So I was closing most of them right here. I did pretty much the same. So closing halfway, stop loss to break even. I did an entry right here. because the entry was actually on a sell stop. I have my stop loss above right there. So I was aiming somewhere around 60, 63 pips, something like that. So I was taking my profits halfway, and I left a couple of them open, but then the price again came back again. So it was playing around. That's why I'm telling you, at least try to take your profits halfway, most of them, and then don't forget to put your stop loss to break even. What the price did is, after breaking the box, came back down for retest and then dropped immediately. This is news. Look what's happening now. It's crazy, the market today. It went down like 200 pips and then is coming back up immediately. So this is going to be just a big fake out, a big wick. This is for the news that happened today with the Fed. There was some type of Fed news and FOMC as well. So look what happens. Crazy momentum pushing down, and now it's coming back up. Of course, if we go on a 4-hour, most likely you're going to see just a wick. That's a big ass wick. Look at that wick right there. My goodness. Big, enormous, gigantic. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So that's how, we went on the Nasdaq today. On the US30. Oh, I'm going to show you some other things right quick. Also, US30 had this massive drop as well. I did not get in actually on the US30. I was looking, it was forming this kind of pattern. So I was saying to myself, if I see a clear breakout above, I will get in. But the price was doing this type of like ugly thing, it break down, then below. I was not watching it all. So ugly, I don't know. Everything was pretty much looking for a sale. We're, like I mentioned, we are on a downtrend, so you should be looking for sales. But the price, started to consolidate, and then broke below. It looks like some type of pattern right here, but the price was very indecisive by the time the market opened. So it didn't look nice to me. I didn't enter. The price did drop as well. Now look with the gold, what happened. I was also sharing all this information. Let me show you right quick here. I was sharing with you guys all of this on the Telegram group, pretty much from the very beginning. From this morning, look right here, the signal. Look, by using the indicators, in this case, it would be the TP strategy combined with the diamond strategy. You can see right here, look what was happening. Pretty much the price at this point, the price was already on a 15-minute, the price was already above the 50% on the RSI. Right here, look at the 100 WMA, the price is started to come above now. So everything is giving us the signal. The price, the WMAs are pretty much below now the price. The cloud, look at the Ichimoku cloud, we are above the cloud now. Everything was telling us to buy. It was just a matter of waiting for price action to break below the block, and that would be our 4th confirmation. So you have 4 confirmations right there with the 3 indicators plus price action. Boom, that's it. So you have to be humble, like I mentioned. Sometimes you're going to be thinking, oh my God, this is beautiful. This is going to keep pushing. And then you don't put your stop loss to break even. You don't close your entries at halfway. So take my advice and start taking your profits halfway down, halfway up, okay? And then what happened? You see what happened there. The price actually came down very strong. And that's pretty much it. Look right here. I give you the signal right there. I told you guys the price is pretty much the 3 indicators are telling me to buy. So this is when I told you that found something on my indicators on a 15-minute. I told you right there. So I'm going for it. I was getting it before actually the breakout. So beautiful, beautiful entry, guys. Recommend you following me on Telegram. I will be posting there every single day. Same thing with gold. I also post this analysis on gold. I was showing this nice triangle here, descending triangle. So what happened? I told you, wherever the price breaks, you go for it as well. You're just going to go for it. The price tried to break above here, but it didn't. Actually, the next candle again, what happened at 1 p.m.? The news. What happened with the news? Actually, the news caused this massive drop. So I was able to catch some pips. I was closing my pips right here, still pushing down. Pips already closed. Entries already closed. This affected a lot of things. Of course, if the gold went down, look, the USD was actually pushing up like crazy. It went up. Again, with this analysis, I did share this analysis also with you guys on the Telegram group a couple of days ago. Look, beautiful, pushed up immediately, touching the profit right there. Let me go with the Euro USD, also dropped like crazy. On the analysis, it kept dropping. I think it's actually reaching take profit now. Almost, it's almost there. Look at that beautiful entry flag pattern. Bearish flag pattern, and boom, doesn't even, immediately. And what was the other one? GBP USD, I think it was the other one. Yeah, so look at that massive drop as well right there. All this analysis, I shared it on the channel a couple of days ago. Keeps pushing down after this pattern right here. So keeps pushing down. I think it will continue its way down due to the news. And but it was a nice day and overall. I hope you guys were able to catch some really good pips. Now let's see how it's gonna, what's gonna happen tomorrow. The price, this is just a big rejection. Will the price continue down? We will have to see. We'll have to see what's going to happen, but definitely on a 4-hour, we can see it's a big weak rejection. So we're definitely going to have to wait how the day is going to go. We'll see tomorrow is another day. We'll see what's going to happen. So again, guys, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe, leave your thumbs up if you like it. And follow me on Telegram so you can be aware. You can watch live for free. You can watch my analysis and be able to catch some really good pips. Thank you very much, guys, for being here again. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take it easy.